Okay, so today, good morning. Nobody behind me, right? As you can see, I'm just alone walking along the highway. I know, what do I call this? What do I call a bridge. This is a bridge connecting hospital and the, I don't know, simulation center. I'm alone, mashallah. And that is also, I don't know if you can actually see it, can you? Well, I doubt it. Well, come with me. We're going home. Actually going home. So, I don't know. The thing is, I don't know if I can actually rotate it. I no, there's no rotate. I'm going home. There's no train. I need to go home now. Just I'm going home. I'm going to the place where I belong. Was sitting here, mountain mama, take me home to country girl. Elevator going up. What about that? Where are we going? Actually, there is it. Ta-da! And it's going without me. So I need to wait. I need to wait, basically. Okay, alas. Now it's in 2 minutes. Oh, it's in Arabic. But can you see that? Okay, let's wait until it turned to English. There you go. So 2 minutes 30 seconds. Can I sit like this? I think so. Okay, have you, did you saw it? In fairness, this is I don't know. Well, I'm waiting. In 2 minutes 30 seconds, the next train will be here, and I'll go home. Now, what time is it? It's actually 1 minute before 8 o'clock. So 8 a.m. Okay. Oh, the sunshine, it's so nice. You want to see how is it? Nobody. Pero may isang tao lang dito sa tabi ko. In fairness, ikot natin. Doy sila. Oh yeah. In fairness So yun po ang dulo. Ang bus na inaantay natin is andyan na. Look at that one. Ta-da! Is that it? That's the train, basically. That's the train, basically. It's, I don't know, it's automated. There's no driver, just going and stopping and going and stopping. It's super nice. In fairness, look at now it's leaving. Ta-da! Super nice, isn't it? We are actually waiting for this one. This is our ride to home. We are on time. Snow Valley, and I am here. Okay. I-video. Let's video it. Ta-da! Yeah. Although it's against the light, but at least you'll be with me during this journey. Now we're moving. Ta-da! Against the light. Wow.
Next stop will be station A2.
Oh, look! Incoming train! Ta-da! Nice one. I'd like you to see the railroad. Look at that. That is A2 station. One more station and I'll be down. Ta-da!
القطار يقترب من المحطة A2. Train is approaching station A2.
If you wanted to see, it's automated. No, actually there's no driver in it. Look at the other side. Ta-da!
القطار قادم إلى المحطة A2. Train
There
is
is
arriving
no
at station
driver. It's
A2.
automatic. Da. Now we stop. It's A2 station. And then we'll do another station, then we'll go down on A3 station. Let's just wait. Wait. No, at the floor.
هذا
There you
قطار
go.
الفصل الأزرق.
Moving.
This is a Blue Line train. Stand clear. The doors are closing.
Nice.
التوقف التالي سيكون المحطة A3. Next stop will be station A3.
A3. That is our stop. Look at that. You see that? Mosque. I think that's mosque. Another train. Incoming. Yeah. Nice. That is my accommodation there. That one, that building, yay! Okay. See that?
القطار يقترب من
Now we're here. We
Train
arrived. Andito na po tayo sa istasyon na bababaan natin. Tada! This is it. This is our stop.
القطار قادم إلى المحطة A3. Train is arriving at station A3.
Tada! This is it. This is our stop. Everybody. Oh, someone is running. Oh no. How many more hours? Come on, run, sister. Come on, yay. See? Nice. She reached it. The doors are closing. He has an accent. Look at those people. Or what? Wearing what? The escalator is not working. Oh no. It isn't working. It isn't working. Unfortunately, do it step by step. Tijan, 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 tijan. Oh, the other one is working, oh. But this one isn't. Ay, nako. Ay, nako, nako. Ay, nako, nako. One at a time. 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 One. Alright. Yeah. And this is how I walked. Just see that. I don't know if you can see that. But there's a lot of people here, so again I have to bring my phone up or else makikita sila sa video, which isn't good. That's it. Compromising the privacy. Then this is the hallway. I've got one person who's with me. Oh, she's also a nurse. In fairness, now I'm not alone in this hallway. I don't know if you can appreciate it, but there's a lot of cars outside. Tajan, I don't know. Do you see it? Tajan. Okay. Actually, the time now is 8:07. If I didn't ride this bus going home, until now, I'm still waiting for 8:10 bus. We'll see. Right? We'll see if I will arrive first or them. But I'm walking super slow. So anyhow, at least it's cold. I will not sweat. Oh, birds. May tatlong kalapate akong nakita. Tatlong kalapate. Look at those. Ew. Poop. Can you see it? Can you appreciate it? My screen door. So hard. But, oh, look at that. There's even eggs. Won't you believe it? There's eggs. Oh ho! There are eggs. There are eggs. Yay! The escalator is working. The escalator is working. Ta-da! Let's ride it along. While the other one's working as well. Please, what time is it? Now 8:08. Oh, the other one, she's already super far. And I'm still here. Okay, enjoying the ride. Alright. Enjoying. Oh, there's a lot of kids. I'm coming home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Nandiyan na. Wow. Ang sarap sa pakaramdam, ang lamig. Ang sarap. I think this is a daycare. There you go. Nice. They're actually playing. Would you look at that? And this is a school. To a place where I belong. Ang init, pero ang sarap as in. Ang sarap sa feeling. Malapit na tayo. Look, that building is SA1. Diyan ako nakatira. But dun sa site ako na yun, nakatira. Kasi ang room ko ay second floor, 108. So, okay. Ha! Diyan! Diyan ako lumabas. At ngayon, dito tayo lalakad. Papunta doon sa door na yon. Let's try the fire exit. If it's open, okay. We'll see if it's open from outside. If it is, then doon tayo sa fire exit. Pero kung hindi doon tayo dadaan sa may gitnang yon. Medyo malayo ang lakad. But, it's nice. Let's try it. Haha! I arrived! Nakakatuwa naman. So, ngayon, ang lagi kong gagawin is, as much as possible, sasakay na lang ako ng tren lagi. Nakakatuwa. Kahit mag-isa, in fairness. Na-enjoy ko siya. Ito yung garden. Yung isang garden, merong fountain. I don't know kung bukas, pero ayoko nang lakadin. Kasi ngayon, naglalakad na ako. Feeling ko, malayo na itong nalalakad ko. We'll see how many steps did I make. Ay, ba't hindi ko dalang aking apparently the door is closed, but let's see. Let's check. Oh my god, ang hangin, ang sarap ng wow, ang daming ipot. Ito yung pinakayo ko sa lahat. Let's tiptoe. Let's just check. Okay, of course, it's closed, but yuck. Kadiri, ang daming ipot. Anyhow, it's closed. So what time is it? Now, it's 8:12. So yung bus na trip na 8:10, umalis na yun doon sa parking lot ng ospital. Pero nandito na din ako. Ang room ko yata ay hindi ko alam, baka are. Hindi ko alam kung alin. Basta yan, andi yan sa isang are. 4, 6, 8. Ayun, yung isang yun. In fairness, yung isang yun ata. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ang galing. Tadyan. Nakarating na po ako. Okay, now, I don't know if this one will open. Yeah, it does open. Tada! Let's open this one too. Tadaan! And I arrived. Tadaan! Nakarating na po ako. Umorder ako? Hindi. May 2 types of spaghettis ako. Spaghetti ni Ma'am Cathy at spaghetti ni Sir Randy. Tingnan natin kung alin ang mas masarap. Tapos bawal pa ako ng pandesal. Ay, takot magutom. Ay, okay. Nauna tayo sa bus. In fairness. Kasi ako, sasakay ko lagi ng tren. Gusto ko yan. At least, may exercise na konti. My God, ay hingal kalabaw. O, diba? Sana ako? Sa hallway ng aking malapit na ako sa aking kwarto. Nasa hallway na ako. Yan na. At tadan. Where's my room? Tada! 2108. Room ko yan. Aray ko. In fairness nakakahingal. Pero masaya naman ang ride. So in short, simula ng bilok ng koto, mabot na tayo ng 19 minutes. Ay, ang bagal ko pang maglakad. Welcome home. It will be very dark. Okay, now, let there be light. Hold on. Let there be light. I cannot see. Okay, I cannot see. Let there be light. Let there be light. Tadaan. This is a surprise. This will be a surprise. Look. Now, let there be light. Let there be light. Let there be light. Let there be light. Tadaan! Okay, welcome to my kwarto. Bye-bye! Bye-bye. Dito tayo sa ano. Hindi against the light. Bye-bye!